nice horse on it, whatever it was. G's of Wakefield. That's what was passing us. So there we go, Annandale Water, 1.5 miles. So we're just going to pull it in here and just set it out to you. I'll empty my rubbish in then and we'll get a quick turnaround and we'll crack straight on. I might do you something later on, but we'll start doing a few from next week. Guys, we've got hopefully the right camera angle, the right gubbins. We'll start doing you a few bits and bats from next week. So 1 mile, signposted for Johnston Bridge. The sun looks as if it's disappearing now. It's still out there, but it must be cloud. It must be behind a cloud at the moment. You can feel temperature drop when sun goes in as well. Some mirrors. This is junction 16 for Johnston Bridge and Annandale Water Services. We're going to throw it in here at Annandale and we're going to cut you loose and set her on. I'm going to crack on, get down to Silloth, get this trailer swap loaded for Monday. Start heading back to the yard on time. Might do something with your way back from Silloth. So 300, in between 3 and 2, signals on. There's a little van just coming behind us now, a little white van, so we're mindful of this. It's obviously going to come off here with us. Mirrors as we come off, signals off, just come off that gas now. Mirrors, just start rolling in on exhaust brake. No need for a foot brake just yet. Exhaust brake again, mirrors. Back at exhaust brake, mirrors. Signals on. Just rolling down gently now. No need for foot brake yet. No need for foot brake. No need for foot brake. Mirrors. No need for foot brake, mirrors, just gentle squeeze up foot brake now, service brake, mirrors, just looking from me right, there's nothing coming, we're straight round. Progress. Mirrors, off the gas, just roll him up, offer him up, just tickling and fettling, signals on because we're going right at this roundabout into Lorry Park. Just rolling round. No gas required yet, just a little gentle bit of gas here now, just to get us round this roundabout. Mirrors as we come round it. Now, where's this Lorry Park barrier, lad? I can't mind on. I've only been on here a couple of times. I think it's straight over this roundabout, the Lorry Park, and then there's more craters than the lunar moon. So mirrors, just back him off, tickling and fettling. Just looking to right, nothing coming, we're straight round. Mirrors. Here we go, pal. Mirror signals on, mirrors as we come in. Oh, there's your first divoted, bumping, pigging, spining thing. We're not getting comfortable here, so we're just going to throw it in anywhere where we're safe and out at road. Mirrors as we come round. Don't need to do any fancy tricky manoeuvres. There should be a space for us to slot it into here. There we go. Right side of ADT, whatever this blue thing is. Oh, mirrors, ATI or ATT, whatever. Right side of 13 wagon. Right, and that concludes this video for now. I may do something with you later on. If not, we'll do something from next week. We'll start doing some decent little trucking videos again. I hope you've enjoyed that. Yeah, we've just gone over an hour. We've gone to an hour and 5 minutes. I think that's about long enough. Right, I've been your old mate Borathea once again. You, my friend, have been beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, be good, stop in and all that crap. And if you can't be good, be careful. Don't give them your phone number. I'll see you later. Have a great weekend. Ta-ra.